Welcome, aspiring researchers. Choosing the right project topic for your undergraduate or master's degree is a crucial first step toward academic success. I'm Grace from Expert-Hive Freelance Services. In this video, I will guide you on how to choose your project topic. A well-chosen topic not only fuels your passion, but also lays the foundation for a meaningful and impactful research journey. Our first key point is identifying and picking from research gaps. These are areas where existing research is insufficient, contradictory, or simply hasn't been explored. To find them, immerse yourself in current literature. Conduct thorough literature reviews, critically analyze findings, and look for unanswered questions or limitations in previous studies. Consider attending academic conferences or seminars, as these often highlight emerging areas and ongoing debates, providing fertile ground for new research. Next, let's discuss the importance of avoiding overly broad topics. A topic like the impact of technology is far too vast for a single project. Broad topics lead to superficial analysis, making it difficult to conduct in-depth research and arrive at concrete conclusions. Instead, aim for specificity. Narrow down your focus by asking who, what, where, when, and why questions. For example, the impact of mobile learning applications on undergraduate English language acquisition in Nigerian universities is much more manageable. This specific topic allows for focused data collection and a deeper exploration of a particular context and demographic. Finally, we'll cover how to formulate a solid research problem. This is the core question your project aims to answer. A good research problem is clear, concise, researchable, and relevant. It should clearly state the issue you intend to investigate. It should also be ethically sound and contribute meaningfully to your field of study, addressing a gap or extending existing knowledge. To refine your problem statement, consider its feasibility. Do you have access to the necessary resources, data, and participants? Seek feedback from your supervisors or mentors. Their experience can provide invaluable insights and help you sharpen your focus. Remember, choosing a project topic is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to revise and refine your ideas as you learn more. Embrace the journey of discovery and let your curiosity guide you towards a topic that truly excites you. With these strategies, you're well equipped to select a compelling project topic that will lead to a successful and rewarding academic experience. Looking for expert help with your research? Visit Expert-Hive Freelance Services at www.experthivetutors.com for personalized assistance from experienced tutors.